time, in a land called Ayodhya, there lived a king called Dasaratha. He had 4 sons, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, and Satrughna. Because of a series of events, Dasaratha's oldest son, Rama, was sent to exile for 14 years and he left Ayodhya to live in a forest with his wife Sita and brother Lakshmana.
One day in the forest, Sita was attracted to a beautiful deer. She asked her husband Rama to catch it. Rama went away to catch the deer. When Rama was chasing the deer, it imitated Rama's voice and cried out, "Sita, Lakshmana, for help."
Lakshmana rushed out to help Rama, but before going out, he drew a line outside the house and asked Sita not to cross it no matter who came to the door. This was for her safety and the line was called the Lakshmana Rekha.
Ravana, the 10-headed demon king of Lanka, was just waiting for this opportunity in the disguise of a holy man. He approached to Sita for begging and when Sita crossed Lakshmana Rekha to offer the holy man, she realized it was no any holy man but demon Ravana. Ravana kidnapped her and kept her in a beautiful garden of Lanka and gave her 12 months' time to decide whether she would leave Rama and marry Ravana or not. Ravana, ha 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 ha. Ravana, ha 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 ha.
Back in the forest, Rama and Lakshmana returned to the hut and found Sita missing. They started looking for her. They met with Sugriva and Hanuman. Hanuman showed Rama a piece of jewelry of Sita, which Sita had dropped while being kidnapped by Ravana with a hope that someday Rama would get a clue and rescue her.
Hanuman and his army attacked Lanka, and during the battle, important persons like Ravana's brother Kumbhakarna and his son Indrajit were also killed. Then began the greatest battle between Rama and Ravana. Ravana used every weapon in all his 20 hands, but Rama cut off his head one by one. Those heads would grow back immediately. Ha 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 ha. Finally, Rama remembered Brahmastra and used it to kill Ravana.
This marked the end of 10-day battle and the triumph of all good over evil. This day is celebrated as Dussehra all over India. Thank you.
Ravana, ha 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 ha. Ravana, ha 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 ha.
Back in the forest, Rama and Lakshmana returned to the hut and found Sita missing. They started looking for her. They met with Sugriva and Hanuman. Hanuman showed Rama
Used every weapon in all his 20 hands. His heads would grow back immediately. Ha 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 ha. Finally, Rama